of happiness. Do you know why he's from sticking out of happiness? DJ, would you like to tell them?
Oh, Buck Factor.
That was a lot. We were on the Buck Factor! You can't be scared to be loud, DJ.
Focusing on this.
Good cover up. He's always covering things up. Do you guys wonder who's holding the camera right now? I mean, you guys are just kind of there floating, like watching me and DJ. That never happens. It never, I mean, the camera's floating and vlogging me and you. And that never happens usually. What's the camera floating? You have magic power? It's cold out here, kind of. It's weird. Really windy. Reveal! Camera reveal! Who's holding the cameras? Reveal! Reveal! Come on! I guess the camera doesn't want to reveal.
When the wind blows, it takes all the trim.
Reveal! I'll get it one of these times. What you do here? These are magic. Oh! Chris is here!
You didn't show Chris in the vlog yet?
No?
It's probably really bumpy because I'm... Maybe that was really smooth, I don't know. Can you even do it? Try it.
You don't want to eat crap.
No, don't take your shoes off. It's fine.
Dude, it's gonna hurt your feet. It has little ruffles in it. Ruffles.
How do I do this?
Has gripples.
You wiggle back and forth after you get, like, right after you put
Dude,
your foot
there's no way I'm doing this.
on. Here, hold on to my shoulder.
You gotta give it a push first.
Yeah, put your other foot on.
Push with your other foot and then get your...
Put her on.
Shake back and no, wiggle it back and forth.
No, you have to get
no
movement
way.
first.
Here,
There's no way.
Whoa!
Holy crap! I wasn't looking at the screen. I think I got it.
How did I avoid not falling? That was weird.
You like did a one-footed thing for a second. She might make it all the way. What is she doing? Get her by your side, then she'll know you're the boss. Oh god. What are you doing?
I just tried to go on the zipper and they told me I can't go by myself and these little scaredy cats won't go on with me. So we're searching for someone that will go with me. Woo!
Shocked me.
It did?
Yeah, come on, grab it.
No, do it.
Yeah, come on, straight, grab it.
Dude, how much are those horns? $6? I just want to look.
What? Sorry, I couldn't vlog on that ride I just went on. The guy gave me the, like, he looked at me like, oh, don't do that. Well, my adrenaline's pumping. I'm like shaking. It's weird.
Was it fun?
Not really. It's kind of boring. Just went in circles. If there was someone on there with me and we're like pretending to freak out, it would have been fun. Because usually when I go on a ride like that and with someone, we're like, ah! We like scream as loud as we can, even if we're not scared. But
Awesome. This one's lower pitch.
you got both? Weirdo.
It's like 2 for 6 or something.
Oh, wait, so winner here at the Winter Race Games. Come on in, you're up again.
Look
Like
at
I'm
that
in
thing.
marching band.
That thing's crazy.
I messed up. My lips hurt.
Dude, look at that bus. That's a weird looking bus.
Looks like we're busted.
We're at the freaking stoplight and Chris is still going at it. So annoying. Why is he annoying us? He thinks it's funny. Well, it kind of is funny, but not when he keeps doing it in our ears.
He's giving us a headache.
Headache. I only rode one ride, but we will go back. Well, I'll go back with Casey or something. She's one of the only people that will ride the rides with me. These babies.
Look, they're all in the right lane.
Wait, you guys both do that. You guys both do that real quick. Both do that. Do it.
No.
That's Mars, dude. That's Mars.
Dude, what just happened? Was that not random? Did you guys think that was random? Cause these are so funny. These were only like 10 cents. I have no idea what's going on right now.
I'm gonna pee.
Smith.
Dude.
I said, Mr. Smith.
Dude, no.
We should do an Oompa Loompa. And he said, good idea, DJ.
Dude, no. Mr. Smith did the Oompa Loompa in 1987. So it wasn't your fucking idea.
I brought it up.
Alright?
It was my idea.
I told you about the Oompa Loompa.
What's this? What's this? It's my hand raised telling Mr. Smith that we should do Oompa Loompa.
But it was my idea.
It
And
was
I
not
told-
your idea.
And I told you.
You were joking about it.
No, it wasn't. Dude, me, you, and Mark were sitting down there doing our push-ups. And Mr. Smith was going through visuals for the marching band.
And I raised my hand and I said,
Dude, no.
Hey, Mr. Smith.
No, dude, that's not how it went.
What was that?
We were doing our push-ups and he was...
I came up with
Shut
this-
the- Let me talk.
I came up with just in case.
Let me talk. Let me talk. Will you let me talk?
I came up with just in case.
No, you... Dude, Sabrina, help me out here.
So if a video and a vlog make a vlog.